it so we have this.
So, alright, so past, present, future, a card a day, the path, the obstacle, and the relationship spread, all different reading.
Maybe I want past. Well, I want a relationship one. Just kind of curious.
Well, we will pick one out.
All right, let's do it.
So you want the relationship first?
Yeah.
All right, everything's read by elements and spirit. So.
Okay.
So you got earth, water, fire, air.
Do I pick one out?
Yeah.
That's how this works. This is cool. Animal spirit.
We're gonna spank our noses right off of our faces.
We could just stop the video and wait until we get down to the
Okay, yeah. Yeah, because it's going to be a lot of shuffling.
Yeah,
Everything. This one.
that one goes to the bottom. And then one more. Goes right there. Okay, now wait a minute. Now. It's mind's eye. The three realities, past, present, and future. Crow energy is potent and should only be tapped into when the mind is clear. Those with the crow tendencies must balance their life with a healthy diet, joyful friends, and a regular self-study. And that's what you do. I mean, if
Mike's so nice, he's shoveling out my car. Look at him. Aw. I'm gonna make him hot chocolate when he gets back inside. Mike's so nice, he's shoveling out my car. Look at him. Aw. I'm gonna make him hot chocolate when he gets back inside. Mike's so nice, he's shoveling out my car. Where is he? There he is. Look at him. Oh!